Hey my friend, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna review a really very good magic box. So it's produced by Autoabc. It's a mini AI CarPlay, wireless CarPlay. So you can see here. So this CarPlay support Android and also Apple CarPlay, yes, and Android Auto as well. So this CarPlay come with a very hard cover box, yes, and inside the cover, if I leave the camera there, you can inside the cover you can find one user manual, yes, and you will find this device is very hard and very small, you can see, yes. And inside the box there have two cables on USB 2 and on USB C. So now in my car I have Apple CarPlay, but I need this cable, this boring cable, so I'm not gonna use anymore. I just leave it and I connect this device here, and I'm gonna plug it here. Then they have two lights, one red and one is blue. So you have to switch on your Bluetooth, and then you will find AI box, right? AI box. This AI box you have to press. It's super simple. It's just a Bluetooth device you're gonna connect with your car. There is no complication, there is no complexity, just connect, plug and play. So I connect this one. Now if I turn my camera over there, the display here, now if I click here, so speed play, so it's like loading and it's connecting with the phone. So yes, now it's connected. So now I can call, I can browse map, I can listen music, yes, and all the function is here. So I already used this CarPlay, and the good thing is it doesn't get overheated, which is very important. And now the time to throw this annoying cable away and use this smart device. And it doesn't take so many places in the car. Just this little device, you just leave it here, that's it. So I would say it's really useful device. So I'm highly suggest to buy this one if you don't have the wireless Apple CarPlay. So now thank you so much, and thanks for your support, and thanks for watching. Bye.